Hello. Let's talk about how heat moves and something special about the material heat moves through. You know when you touch something hot, like a pan on the stove, the pan feels hot. Or when you wear a cozy sweater and you stay warm. That's because of conductors and insulators. Imagine you have a metal spoon and a wooden spoon and you put them both in a cup of hot chocolate. After a little while, the metal spoon will feel much warmer than the wooden spoon. That's because metal is a really good conductor of heat. Conductors are materials that allow heat to move through them easily. They conduct the heat. Metals like iron, copper, and aluminum are all excellent conductors. That's why pots and pans are made of metal. They quickly heat up on a stove and cook our food. If you touch a metal slide on a hot day, the slide feels very hot because the metal quickly takes in the heat from the sun. Now, think about that cozy sweater. The sweater keeps you warm, right? That's because it's made of a material that is a good insulator. Insulators are materials that slow down or stop the flow of heat. They insulate you from the heat, like a shield protecting you. Materials like wood, plastic, rubber, and air are all good insulators. That's why the handles of pots and pans are often made of plastic or wood so you can hold them without burning your hand. And that's why we wear sweaters made of wool or put on thick coats in the winter, to keep our body heat from escaping and to keep us warm. We use conductors and insulators every day. Think about these examples. Metal pots and pans are used for cooking, metal radiators for heating our home, and metal wires to conduct electricity. For insulators, wooden handles on cooking pots, rubber gloves to protect us from hot things, thick coats and blankets to keep us warm, and the insulation in the walls of our houses. So remember, conductors are materials that let heat move through them easily. Insulators are materials that slow down or stop heat from moving. Both are super important in our daily lives, helping us cook, stay warm, and use energy safely. Thank you for watching.